So Ama Governor has been denied access to the Ghana Law Bar after successfully passing her exams and going for an interview. She has passed everything. Now she's been denied to the Ghana Law Bar. Well, you might probably know who Ama Governor. You don't know her. Oh, don't tell me you don't know Ama Governor. I just don't want to hear it. You don't know her. Alright, watch this video.
Was that every time I would have sex after some 8 months after the insertion, my partners would be complaining that they can feel the IUD, or not complaining necessarily, but they would give me feedback that they can feel the IUD, and at certain points I actually started feeling the IUD myself through their penises. So I'm specifically talking about when I would have sex with men. When I would have sex with women, I have still never experienced a strap being used on me. So I never experienced a woman using a strap fucking me complaining about the IUD. So I'm talking about when I would fuck men. Okay, so then I just went to the hospital, and then they told me that the IUD had been dislodged.
Yeah, so this is the Ama Governor we are talking about. She's actually a law student. She has actually passed from a law school. Yes, probably she has actually passed. She is now a profound lawyer. Okay, now she's been denied access to the Ghana Law Bar, and this one was cited with joining. Before I say anything, let me just read it to you for us to get an insight of what actually happened. Okay, so this one states, Ghana YouTuber Elom Abebio, popularly known as Ama Governor, will not be called to the Ghana Bar on Friday when her colleagues formally joined the profession. Okay, and when you read on, it actually states that this is despite her successful completion of the professional law program that saw her pass exams and scale the interview session as well. She was due to be called on Friday but received a letter from the secretary to the General Legal Counsel informing her of the decision. A complaint is said to have been received from a concerned citizen alleging that she lacks good character. A video recording of her YouTube content said to show her allegedly engaged in conduct unbecoming of an application to be called on the bar has been attached to the complaint. Now, a complaint actually sent a petition, or actually sent a complaint to the Ghana Law Council or whatever, to lodge a complaint about this Ama Governor girl, and says, yo Charlie, this girl has been ranting on social media. She has been doing a lot of misconduct. She has been saying a lot of things which does not fall with the conduct or which does not conform with the law.
That aside, let's go with the procreation issue. People are saying that if we allow men to be with men and women to be with men, how are we going to sustain the human race? Are you dumb? What about dumb? What do you mean? Are you dumb?
We.
And she thinks she must be denied, or she must be denied an access to the Ghana Law Bar. And she also added a video of her. This social media thing where they talk about it. Say the things where we do today will come back in the future to bite us. Now, if you don't know who Ama Governor is, let me introduce her a little to you. Now, this girl, she's a YouTuber for real. She be real, but this our LGBT thing we always talk about for Ghana, then things, it is not legally accepted, neither it is legal. Okay, but the thing we say, you not go fit come out publicly and say whatever you want to say about your sexuality.
For you, me, I have all the girls. I get all me, I be bomba. Hey, T. Me, I be bomba. I get all the girls, the boys, and the gays.
Especially when it belongs to the LGBTQ community. Now, this girl always there outside, they rant here and there, they talk about his sociality, they talk about Christianity, religion to be specified. She always they rant. And when you go on Twitter, people are voting against the petition to why she's being denied access to the Ghana Law Bar, and I think it is totally nonsense. People are just wasting their time on Twitter doing this nonsense bullshit. The person who actually, wrote those petitions for us to vote against it should actually come outside and tell us the reason why he or she thinks we should vote against this petition. Because what is this guy actually going to do there? This is someone who has pierced yes, pierced nose, here, right, left and right and center, who wants to live her right freely. And what are you actually going to do at the law court? Are you going to speak for your community? Are you going to write petition to push the agenda for your community, or what? Charlie, people who are voting against this thing on Twitter be like, this is a senseless and a baseless things way they do for Twitter. People don't know how to use their data bundle or whatever they are doing on Twitter. Charlie, this be totally nonsense way they do on Twitter. Okay, like what are you actually voting against? This is someone who has clearly come out to talk about trash people, insult people, because she thinks this is a free world and she thinks the space she finds herself, she can actually do whatever she wants to do. Charlie, if she's being denied for these reasons, at least they have given her reasons why they think she shouldn't be called to the bar. For real, Charlie, I know say this go hurt after going to school, writing your exams and you pass all them things where like this thing happened to you. I know say it go pain you, but remember what you also did in the past, and they have come back to bite you hard in the flesh, and they're leaving these scars on the face, and people are only feeling pity and remorseful for you because they think you have paid school fees, and they think this thing no be anything be way they for deny you to be called to the bar and think Ghanaians Ankasa, I don't know. Ghanaians Ankasa, I don't know how they wrong some people for this country. This thing where we do on Twitter, voting against this petition, then think, are you actually doing it because you feel the girl wasn't served right, or you think because she has paid a lot of school fees and the number of years she has spent in school, you think that shouldn't be wasted, so she should be called to the bar. Mente Bumasi, for real, like Mente Bumasi, do you actually why all these petitions? Charlie, if they call her to the bar, Charlie, I'll be happy. But if she's being denied for these reasons they are giving her, it serves her right, okay? So yes, Charlie, this is what is happening on Twitter. When you go on Twitter, Amagovena is trending with about 15k tweets. People are voting against the petition, and the the Ghana Law Council, the Ghana Legal Council, they do. It be something we know they hear. This thing now, if like they not do to you, people come up and say, hey, Ghana law is not working. Ghana law is not doing like this. Now, if they put the law to work, this our own people will say, it is too much. Fuck it, Japan.